Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to resend account verifications in Trim. If you didn't receive the verification email from Trim or need to resend it, here's how to do it. First, open the Trim app and go to the login or account setting page. There you're going to look for an option like resend verification email or verify accounts. Tap this option and enter the email address linked to your Trim account. Trim will send a new verification email to your inbox, so go ahead and check your email, including the spam or junk folder, for the message from Trim, and click the verification link inside the email to confirm your account. If you still don't get the email, you want to try restarting the app or contacting Trim support for assistance. And now your account is verified and ready to use. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to recover a lost connection to your bank. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.